The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 2:15 p.m. At 10:12 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban